Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write lowercase character K and L. Here we go. Put your marker on second line. Start moving your marker upward diagonally and make loop here. Come back on third line. Then come back on second line, make curve here. Then move your marker diagonally downward and make curve here by touching the third line. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character K. Once again I'm writing here. Put your marker on second line. Start moving your marker diagonally upward. Then come down on third line. Come back on second line. Make curve here. Move your marker downward diagonally. Touch the third line. Now start moving your marker upward. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character K. Now we are going to learn how to write lowercase character L. That is easy, simple. Put your marker on second line. Start moving your marker, slide diagonally upward on first line. Come down straightly on third line. Make curve here upward like this. Pick up your marker. This is lowercase character L. Once again I'm writing here. Put your marker on second line. Start moving your marker upward diagonally, slide diagonally. Then start moving your marker downward straightly. After making loop, touch the third line and make curve here. Pick up your marker. This is lowercase character L. Hope all of you learn it. We will meet in next video. See you. Tata.